Don't forget to enter the giveaway down below to win your own lip contour kit. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full face testing Makeup Revolution, which has recently just been renamed Revolution. They have a brand new website. I will leave it linked down below if you'd like to check it out, but they still are available in Superdrug if you want to check them out in store, do a little swatchy, get a little order to collect, you know what I mean. So today we're going to be doing, like I said, a full face testing at Makeup Revolution. We have a little parcel here that has a little pink PR on it, so you know what that means. That means it's a PR parcel. Some of the stuff in this video is going to be PR, and some of the stuff is going to be things that I bought with my own moolah. So I'll let you know which one is which, but let's get into the video. So today I want to be glowy AF, so I'm going to begin with the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter, and this is in the shade Liquid Starlight. And I actually cannot wait to try this out and see what it's like. So I'm going to drop some of this on my face. I'm going to use this huge Freedom Mega Pro HD Pro Artist magnetic palette because the mirror in it is huge. So I'm going to be using that today. I think this is one of the products that has been renamed Revolution Pro now because the Freedom brand no longer exists. I don't know if it's coming back or whether that was just them renaming it Revolution Pro. I'm not sure. Ooh, like how do Instagram girls do this and like look like really cute? Like that one's not even dripped. Like come on. And then for blending this out, I'm going to be taking the Revolution Oval Precision Kabuki brush. I'm going to use this for the foundation as well, but I'm going to use this for blending this bad boy out as well. Ooh, I'm like a tin woman. I think I might have put a bit too much on. A little bit goes a long way, boys and girls. A little bit goes a long way. I'll turn the brightness down a little bit so you can see that a bit better. But I am literally like glowing to the gods. Okay, joke. So I'm going to be going in with the Revolution brand new foundation. It's not really brand new when you're watching this, but it was brand new when I bought it. So this is one of the products that I bought myself. I got the shade F6 and I have a little bit of fake tan on from when I went out at the weekend. So it might not match, but we'll bronze it up. It's okay, boys and girls. We will bronze it up. I've actually been loving this foundation. I've been wearing it for work, on the daily. Like, I've actually been obsessed. And I'm going to put loads on today because I want to be full coverage, glam, as much as I possibly can. Like, I'm just painting it on. I do want to go and buy the darker shade for when I've got fake tan on because I just love it that much. I'm just taking that brush again. I've never tried it with this kind of brush, but going well so far. The glitter is shining through. It is shining through. Please excuse my camera settings today, by the way, if I look a bit of a funny colour. I'm trying to perfect them. So yeah, bear with me. New camera and all that. I'd absolutely love to know what your favourite Makeup Revolution products are, or Revolution as it's now called. Would you like me to do a video trying out the new stuff that's came out? They've brought out like foundation drops, full coverage foundations. I'm sure there's like full coverage concealers as well. There's like eyeshadow palettes that look very, very similar to the Huda Beauty ones. So please do let me know. This is just a tad bit too light. Just a tad. You know, not much. Just a little bit. Okay, so it definitely hasn't blended up the same way that it does with the stippling brush, but it's actually got a lot more coverage and it is glowy AF. Like, I don't know if you can see on camera, but oh my god, it's so glowy. So glowy. I'm going to try and put some of the highlighter on top of the foundation before we set everything in place. And for this I'm going to be using the Revolution Advanced Complexion Expert Soft Brush. Sponge, Lucy, sponge. And I love that it has like this bit here because you could do like some carving, you know, snatch them cheeks and all that. So let's try. I've not had a chance to dampen this, so let's just try it. when it's dry. What's the worst that could happen? Just do some little dots because we already are super glowy. Don't think we need any more on my forehead, do we? Like, let's be serious, Lucy. I'm going to go in with the stippling brush because that sets really quick, and obviously I did not know that. Oh my god, it looks absolutely beautiful with a little stippling brush. I know they have brought out brushes with the new like Revolution Pro range. I keep going to say makeup, but obviously that's not the name anymore. I'll put some more on this side just to match it up. I know they have brought out different brushes. I know there was definitely a stippling brush because I remember thinking, oh, that looks nice. And I think it was £6, but don't quote me. But I'll leave everything linked down below anyway. So if you want to check out anything else on the website, then it's all linked down below, so you can go check it all out. I will put links down to the Tan Beauty website, which now is just being called Revolution, and I'll put links down below for the Superdrug one. So if you want to shop on either, you've got both options there. You don't have to find it all yourself. Okie doke. You're welcome. So next I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C2. And I bought this one myself. This one wasn't sent to me. I bought this ages ago. I'm actually running out of it. And I'm a bit of a mixed opinions on how I feel about it. I recently got Tarte Shape Tape, so let me know if you want me to do a video comparing the two. And what my thoughts are. Then just let me know in the comments down below. I'll give this video a thumbs up if you can't put the comment in. Because, you know, lazy life, I understand. I'm going to set all of that in place with my trusty Laura Mercier translucent powder and my Spectrum brush, which I've been absolutely, like, I've been using this on the daily and I really shouldn't because it's pricey, but like it's just, oh my god, it's just so good. To add some warm glow, I'm going to be taking the Summer of Love Triple Baked Bronzer, which just looks like this. And I'm going to be taking my Be With Belle B4 brush, which I've been absolutely loving for bronzer recently. If you can't apply bronzer to save your life, then you need this brush because it will literally save your life. So the blush that I'm going to be using is, this is like, if you watch my old videos, you remember when I bought this, like so many years ago. This is one that you used to just pay £1 for. I'm not sure whether you can still get them or not. I will leave it linked down below, or one similar for you. And this is just the individual blush in the shade Hot. And I'm going to be taking literally like the tiniest bit of this with a Spectrum 8 or 5 brush. I'm going to be taking the tiniest little bit of this blusher. Oh, that is so pigmented. Where's the blush? Using our bronzer brush to blend that out. Oh, that is pretty. That is really nice. It looks really patchy on camera, but it's really not. As like a blush topper, I'm going to be using this, which looks absolutely beautiful, and it's so sparkly. I loved it. Like, look how it... So we're going to go in with some highlighter because, I mean, let's be serious, like, do we need to be any more glowy? No. Are we going to get more glowy? Yes. So I'm taking the Goddess of Love Triple Baked Highlighter. This is the Goddess of Faith one. And I'm just going to be taking my Morphe M501 brush with this. Ooh, that is pigmented. Okie doke. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, let's see what this bad boy is like. Oh yeah. So for eyeshadows, we have 3 little individual ones from Makeup Obsession, which is part of the Makeup Revolution / Revolution now. This is the eyeshadow in Burnt. We also have Ginger, and then Cinnamon as well. And then I also, so these were sent to me very kindly from PR, but I also picked up myself with my own pennies a palette as well. So I have absolutely loads of Makeup Revolution's palettes, but like this one just like screamed my name. This is the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, and I'm not gonna lie, and if my sister's watching this, I actually originally bought this for my sister for her birthday, and then like I saw some other stuff that I knew that she'd absolutely love, and then I was like, oh well, she doesn't really need this now because like I've given her like all that other stuff as well. So I kept it. So if you're watching this, Bethany, I'm really sorry, but like it's mine now. I swatched this in the shop and oh my god, it impressed me so much. Like, look at them colours. If you are watching this video, Beth, by the way, this reminds me of the Lime Crime palette that they used at the Doll Beauty event that we went to yesterday. Interesting. Okie dokes. So let's get some stuff on my face. So taking a big fluffy brush, I'm going to be taking the individual eyeshadow in Ginger, and I'm going to apply this in my crease. And then I'm going to take the palette. I can't decide which way I'm going to go. I think I'm going to go for the pink, so I'm going to go for this colour here. Really pack it onto my brush, and I'm going to put that just lower down than the orangey colour that we've just put on. And really, really pack that on. Don't worry about this bit because we'll clean that up with concealer, because I didn't think I was going to go this intense with the eye, but apparently I am. So then I'm going to be taking an even smaller kind of rounded brush and going in with this shade up here, once again packing it on, and I'm going to add some more definition underneath the colour that we've just put on now. So taking some of the P. Louise base, it's just the original colour. I'm going to be taking a cream shadow brush from Benefit. I'm going to attempt to do a spotlight eye. We shall see how this goes. This is what we're working with at the moment. I've cut it really high because I have such hooded eyes. Like, you can't see it without my eye being like open and closed. So I've cut it really, really high. We shall see how this goes. So I'm going to go back in with that round brush that had the darker colour on it. And I'm just going to blend this into the edges a bit. Then I'm going to take the white kind of bone colour out of the palette. And I'm literally just going to use my finger for this and just kind of tap that into the middle, like so. I'm not sure if you could see that, sorry. Concentration's real, guys. I feel like I should have done it fatter, but this is a learning curve. It's a learning curve, Lucy. Okay. Then I'm going to be taking the W7 Metal Flash Metallic Glitter Eyeliner, which is what Hayley got me for Christmas / birthday, because, you know, they're so close together. I'm going to take the same glitter eyeliner, I'm going to put this on the inner corner of my eye as well. So I'm going to clean this up, I'll match up the other eye, and then we'll do the bottom eye as well, the bottom of the eye. But so far, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. So now we're all matched up on both sides. So we're going to put some on the lower of the eye. I don't know what that's called, that bit. I'm going to be starting with the big fluffy brush that we started with the individual eyeshadow on. And then taking the smaller brush that we went with the second colour, I'm going to pack that on underneath as well, but not as low as the orange. We're going to go backwards, so the first colour will be like the lowest and then upwards, so kind of like a reverse flip of what's happening on the top. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. If you were to recreate this look, I would recommend doing your eyes first, then your base. I wasn't expecting to do this eye look. I wasn't expecting to go this hardcore and like do all of this. I don't know why I've done it. But yeah, I'd recommend doing this first, and then your base will be even more perfect because you won't have any fallout. Okay, dog. Then going with the darker shade and putting this really close to the top. So for lips, I'm going to be going in with one of the Revolution Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kits. This is the new and improved formula, which is just like a standard one that's out at the moment. This is in the shade Echelon, and it comes with a lip liner and a lipstick inside it. I actually already own this, which looks like this. So I'm going to be giving this one away to you guys. So if you'd like to be in the chance of winning this, then the details will all be down below, but I'll give you a little explanation now. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. I couldn't spit that out then. Subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the future, and follow me on Instagram. I will leave it linked all down below. Make sure you put your username of your Instagram account in the comment on this YouTube video, so that I can make sure that you've followed me and I can follow you back, have a little nosy, give you a couple of likes, that kind of thing. So that's all you need to do. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then leave a comment down below for your chance to win this. The winner will be announced in, let's say 2 weeks time. So yeah, don't forget to enter and leave a comment down below once you've entered. So I'm going to start with the lip liner and just outline. And I'm just going to fill it in the middle with the liquid lipstick. So this is what the lipstick looks like. I probably would go more for a nude one, so maybe like the Makeup Revolution Honor, or even Noble, more like a nudie kind of colour than this purpley colour, but it still does look really, really pretty. Or even Highness as well, which all come in the lip kits as well. I absolutely love their lip kits, like really love them, so I'd really recommend them. The glossy ones I'm not the biggest fan of. I'm like sell them on Depop if you're interested, so it's up to you. I bought them myself. I got them as a Christmas present, by the way. They weren't gifted to me through PR. But anyways, on to lashes. So lashes I'm going to be applying are the NEMUA Mink lashes. This is in the number 6, and I like these because they're very gappy. And I really like gappy lashes recently, and that sounds like it's a bad thing that it's gappy, but it's not. It's really good because this has like a round kind of appearance to it, so it means that it'll also open up my spotlight more and like show it off, but because of the gaps, that'll show off as well. And I've been absolutely loving the Lash Unlimited lash glue as well, the strip lash adhesive. I tried it for the first time yesterday and it literally blew me away, like absolutely blew me away. So I'm going to be using that, and I'll be back with you in a moment. So this is the finished look. I'd love to know what you think down below. Obviously it's not going to be like absolutely perfect. My blend isn't going to be absolutely unreal. Like, I'm just a person who loves makeup. I'm not a makeup artist or anything like that, but I absolutely loved creating this look, and I'm so impressed with the products that I've used. Like, look at my cheeks, they're just popping. Like, absolutely popping. I'm really impressed with these eyelashes as well, and the eyelash glue is just like the best eyelash glue I've ever tried in my whole life. Like, and I know that from using it twice. Them eyeshadows were absolutely unbelievable. Like, actually unbelievable. The foundation I already knew that I love. The bronzer was nice, but I think I need a darker shade when I'm a little bit more tanned. I am coming up like a lot lighter on camera, but my face actually pretty much matches my body in real life. Oh, do you like my nails, by the way? I got them done the other day, and they've got dried flowers, like real dried flowers in it. How cool is that? I'll leave my nail lady down below if you live in Middlesbrough, so you can check her out. But she is really hard to get an appointment with. But just put on your post notifications. I'm going on a tangent. Anyways, so yeah, I'm really impressed with the Makeup Revolution products. I think out of everything, the eyeshadows have probably amazed me the most. The blush topper was absolutely stunning. I probably wouldn't use that blush again because it does look a little bit patchy. But I mean, this eye look, like, I'm actually obsessed. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know any other brands that you want me to do a full face tutorial on. I think I just knocked the mic there. I apologise. I've got the mic to like the side of me. So yeah, let me know if there's anything else that you want me to do a full face video on. And don't forget to enter the giveaway down below to win your own lip contour kit. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget I upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. I try my best to upload on them days, and I've got loads of videos pre-filmed, so I should be uploading properly when you see this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our little family, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys!